Hey. 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 Check it out, y'all. Unboxing time. So, got this shirt here. This is from LiveLife. I'm going to put this in the description. A good friend of mine has his own message he's trying to push to basically live your life to the fullest. Don't let anything hold you back. Do whatever you need to do. Hold the world in your hands. You're the only one that can change what is wrong with you. Right after this intro, we're going to go ahead and pop this shirt open. Take off this blue shirt. Put this on and let's see how it feels and how it is. Like I said, I'm an honest reviewer, so I'm going to be honest. So we're going to say if it's trash or if it's worth it. So, I've been messing around with my own shirt, so we're going to see the quality of it. Hey, let's see. Right after this intro.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Welcome back, y'all. Unboxing time. Unboxing time. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I haven't even felt the shirt yet. Waited till I got home so I was able to record. I got home last night, but I was recording something else. And it's soft. Right off the bat. It's real soft. See this right here? This is nice. I didn't expect to see that on the back, but you guys can see that front part right there. Has his little logo right here. Let's go ahead and show that off to the world. To the world. Look at this. I like that. See, as a designer, I want to make a logo like that's nice. Has a message, hold the world in your hands. That's the type of logos that mean something. Something that has a message behind just buying this shirt. Because I could buy this shirt anywhere. Why would I buy this shirt? Like, is the message behind it and the shirt is good? That's what I'm talking about. Extra large. It's real soft. We're going to go ahead and put it on. Turn it. Actually, let me turn it inside out real quick. Did I show you guys the back? Let me show you guys the back. This is what caught me off guard. That's nice right there. This is real nice. And as you can see, the bottom right here, as I'm noticing holding it, it's slightly cut different than most shirts. So it's going to be longer in the front and in the back and shorter on the sides. That makes sense. Nah, guys, but look at this shirt, man. This is dope. Make memories on the back. You know what? Let's get right into it. Let's just go ahead and throw it on. Alright guys, yeah. Shirt's real comfortable. Fits perfect. This is an extra large. I don't know, I weigh about 178, 180, somewhere around there. Kind of go up and down right there, but it fits. I'm 5'11", that makes a difference. Arm wingspan, I don't know. I ain't no boxer, but hey, I watch boxing. It's pretty dope. Bro, this is actually pretty nice. It feels good. And what I like, some shirts give you like that itchy feeling. This one don't give you that. It's real good quality. It's soft. I would use it for my own brand. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. Appreciate that, dog. That's my Apple Watch. My bad. But Bella Canvas still my shirt. I ain't gonna lie. It's still soft. It's still soft. It's still soft. But like it. Alright, y'all. Till next week. I'm gonna catch y'all later.